In today's video, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two of the most popular landing page builders out there, LeadPages and Instapage. Whether you're building your first landing page or looking for a better solution, you're going to want to stick around until the end because we're going to give you all the insights on these platforms and help you make the right choice for your business. And, spoiler alert, I'll even share an exclusive extended free trial for a top alternative that may be better suited for your goals. Let's start with the basics. LeadPages is known for its simplicity and affordability. It's a great tool for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to break the bank while still getting a solid landing page builder. The drag and drop editor is easy to use, and it integrates well with a lot of major email marketing platforms. But here's the thing, while LeadPages offers a ton of templates and decent customization options, it's not quite as flexible or feature-rich as some might expect, especially when compared to Instapage. Next thing, let's talk about Instapage. Instapage positions itself as a more premium solution. It's built for those who need more advanced features and greater customization. The layout is sleek, and their editor is far more versatile, offering more options for elements on your page. It's also got heat map technology, which is awesome for seeing how users are interacting with your page. If you're running a higher stakes campaign or need to fine-tune your pages down to the last detail, Instapage might be the way to go. But all that power comes at a higher price. Now, if you're wondering about speed, LeadPages does a decent job. Pages load quickly, and you don't usually face issues with lag. Instapage, on the other hand, while powerful, can sometimes feel a bit sluggish when dealing with more complex pages. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're someone who values lightning-fast load times, LeadPages does have the edge here. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. LeadPages offers a more affordable option for those just getting started. With plans that start lower than Instapage, it's easy to see why it's popular for small businesses or solopreneurs. But with that lower cost comes fewer advanced features. Instapage, on the other hand, comes at a higher price, but if you're serious about your landing pages and need advanced features, it could be worth it. Now, let's talk about customer support. LeadPages has a pretty good reputation for offering support through live chat and email. It's solid, but not as instant or as detailed as Instapage's offerings. Instapage has great customer service with quick responses and a wealth of knowledge in their help center. But it's worth noting that you'll likely need to pay for one of the higher tier plans to get full access to everything they offer. Next thing, integrations. Both platforms integrate well with major email marketing software, CRM tools, and payment gateways, but Instapage has a bit more flexibility in this area. The integration process on Instapage is more seamless, and there's a lot more room for customization when it comes to connecting your landing pages to other tools in your marketing stack. So, which one is right for you? If you're just starting and need a straightforward, easy-to-use platform without breaking the bank, LeadPages is definitely a solid choice. It's great for beginners, offers a variety of templates, and integrates with most major platforms. But if you're a more advanced user, need deeper customization, and don't mind paying a bit more for premium features, Instapage might be the better option for you. But here's the deal. If you're serious about landing pages and want something with even more power and flexibility, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial to a software that might be better for your goals. Plus, I'm sharing some amazing alternatives that are also better for the long run, and they offer free trials too. This is a special benefit only available through our link. Check out the first link in the description to grab your exclusive free trial and find out which software is truly the best for your business goals. Don't miss out.